in this video, we're going to study about product and brand consideration objective or product or brand consideration goal in Google Ads. So whenever you're planning to make a campaign, you have to choose a goal first. So over here, when to choose product and brand consideration, that we're going to study over here. Okay. So whenever you are looking for you want to encourage your customers, encourage your people or encourage your audience to explore your product or service by visiting a website, then you can go for this product and brand consideration. See, this is very important stage when you are, let's say, running a business or you're running a show. This is very important, like very important stage, because this is like a middle stage. Either they'll purchase the product and it will give you conversion, or they'll still, let's say, still will be in the category of a branding category only. So there's a funnel over here: brand awareness, consideration, conversion. Getting it? So this consideration part is very important when they consider your brand against your competitors. Getting it? For example, if you give you a pair of shoes of Puma and Sparks, and let's say both cost 2,000 rupees, so definitely we'll choose Puma. Why? Because branding is done. So if good branding is done, you're gonna consider, let's say, this Puma brand against the competitor Sparks. That's why consideration is a very important step. Okay. So whenever you feel like you want that people should consider your brand, they should check out your product and service what you're providing, then you should always go for product and brand consideration objective. So there's a difference in this objective compared to your previous objectives like sales, leads, or website traffic. Over here, the campaign types is limited to only display and video. Okay. So over here, we focus more on your image ads or your video ads. Getting it? And the ads will be shown on the partner websites of Google, websites, apps, or videos of Google. Getting it? So whenever you're looking people should go and check out your brand, go and check out your product and services, then you should go for this objective. Okay. So I'm pretty sure this will be a little bit very clear to you. Thank you so much.